miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan. The bridges getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the quarter slowly turned his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punchy train underneath that Louisiana blue. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June, yeah. That high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Well, a man came down from Chicago, he's gonna set that levee right. Said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. The old man down in the quarter said, don't you listen to that boy. The water will be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a punchy train underneath that Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June, yeah. That high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I was born in the rain on a punchy train underneath that Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June, yeah. That high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.